What's up everybody, welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and today you guys are going to be hanging out with me a little bit as I get ready to get back on the road. So it's going to be a fun day. We're picking up the car, we need to go to Funchal to get a couple of things. So yeah, let's rewind a little bit and let's have some fun. We're getting our snacks. So they got this biscuit, which is a passion fruit biscuit, which you have to ask for because it's not usually on the thing there. It's on the inside. So you should always ask or be with somebody who can help you. You know what I'm saying? Lisa's really good from Free Walking Tours. Okay, so we've got a couple of errands to run. I have to get a car to the mechanic. We have to, we're gonna try out these biscuits. We're gonna try out some new gear. I got a whole lot of new stuff coming, so follow me. It's gonna be one of those adventures, getting things done and vlogging at the same time. But I think we're gonna be able to be just fine. So yeah, let's hit the road. José, bom dia.
Bom dia.
Ok, vamos lá ver o carro. Let's get out of here. We're gonna get this car to the mechanic and we're gonna give it a little bit of a wash. So it's gonna get ready, right? This is gonna be my new car for a few weeks, all right? Because unfortunately, like every other car that I have, I'm gonna have to pass it on to one of my drivers. Andre wants to know how it's going. Andre, hey, yeah, it's good. We're filming, man. You're screwing up the vlog, bro. Like. In case you guys don't know, this is what I do. I'm a tour guide in Madeira and I've been driving these vehicles for the last 10 years. And for a very long time, we've been social media famous. You know, already 10 years ago when I started the company, we were doing lots of Facebooks and Facebook Lives. And then it was all over Instagram, and then we were all over TripAdvisor. And now we're all over YouTube. Although some people don't know that we actually do tours and that this company is a tour company. So for a long time we were, online famous, and the service inside the car was phenomenal. We've built this great company, but the cars were all in such a mess. So post-COVID, thankfully we've had the opportunity to invest in our company once we had recovered from the pandemic, which of course for the tourism industry was horrific. But slowly we've been fixing our cars, and this is now the second complete car that we have. You can see inside that it's all made to look really luxurious, to match a little bit the perception that we have from our clients, from our customer satisfaction, from all the work that we do as tour guides. We were really good at that, and we still are, but the cars are like a little bit old and the paint jobs are old, and inside there are little cuts and scratches on the fabrics and stuff. So I wanted to make sure that everything was just a reflection of our work and our image, not only on the inside but on the outside as well. So again, we're dropping this car off now. It's going to get a little bit of tweaks, and then we got to wait for the graphic designer so we can put all the logos and stuff. And hopefully in about a week or two I'll be test driving this car. So yeah, we're gonna drop this off. Don't go anywhere. We got more cool stuff to show you. We're gonna go head off onto a road trip. Let's drop this baby off and get out of here. So I've been making some shopping I've been making some shopping. That's some Madeiran for you over there, some Portuguese translations, making some shopping. I'm planning on getting back on the road as soon as possible. We did have to change vehicles now because, like I said, the beast has to stay at the mechanic to get some work done. And this is, of course, the EasyJet, as you all know. And I can't wait to get this car actually into the panel beaters, because that whole makeover that the beast got, this guy's gonna get as well. And I can't wait to not be driving a car that's got like tape covering the rust and little things inside here that are broken and all, and like all the important stuff works. Remember, you can check the tread of the tires and the inspection tickets. Everything is all good, right? But it's a little bit old. Check this out over here, Oscar. Yeah, look at it. You see this? All this tape, and over here as well. It's like, it needs, look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. We're at Chão das Feitas in today's mission, and we're gonna fly a drone. This is a great place for anyone to learn how to fly a drone. It's very flat and people can do that kind of stuff, of course, all within the law. And we got the sheep with us out there today. There goes the drone. We're gonna make some coffee and we're gonna talk about my new ideas. Some of you are coming to Madeira, you watch the channel and you go, oh, I would love to do a tour with Jeff. Well, today I'm going to tell you how you can do a tour with me, because yes, I will be back on the road sooner than you think, and with some new ideas. So I'm quite excited. Some of you already know what these ideas are, especially our Patreon supporters. You guys will know for sure. Oscar, let's grab some stuff and get out of here. So here we are, we're testing out some new equipment because I've got some ideas, some crazy ideas. And today is actually a good day to do it, because part of my challenges, one of the challenges for this new thing that I'm building is dealing with the wind. So we're gonna try something today. First, I got this brand new gas burner, and we're gonna try and see if we can get this guy working. We can't see the flame, but I can see the heat and I can hear it. So believe it or not, I've never used one of these before, right? Part of the reason why we came here to try all this stuff. So from what I can understand, this comes out, water in there, coffee in here, right, like that. And then we close it up, boils, makes coffee, coffee stays on top, right? What do you think?
Sounds about right, man.
Sounds about right. So we are using coffee from Gato Legal. If you guys don't know, this is my favorite coffee place in Madeira. There are videos on this channel about where you can get coffee, how to order coffee, all that kind of stuff. So you guys want to check that out. And of course, this is all for a secret tour, right? So you guys, some of you may have already known about the secret tours. If you're on our Patreon account, then you would have heard of it for sure. If you don't know what Patreon is, Patreon is a social media platform that allows fans to sponsor creators, to support creators financially. So for instance, for only €4.50, you can support us by buying us a poncho. That's gonna help us bring better content to you, and it's also gonna help you when you come to Madeira, because you're gonna get access to all sorts of exclusive content from myself and from the team at Hit the Road. So we've built a couple of things, a couple of guides. We've built a restaurant guide, we've built a partners guide, which are all the people that I work with in the industry. Whenever I have to arrange buses, yachts, minibuses, canyonings, mountain bikings, taxis, all that kind of stuff I've built into a resource list that you guys can have for only €4.50. And then also, right, you get access to the new tours that are coming. So number one, if you want to come with me in the next couple of months, because it's a bit of a crazy year and I'm still getting out of my operation and things like that, and the business is expanding, so I want to make sure everything is in the right place. So I'm not stretching myself out too much, but the first people who will know about my tours will be on Patreon. So if you're not on our Patreon account, better go on there and sign up for €4.50 and you might even win a vacation to Madeira in 2024. So check all of that out. So it should be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Guys, if you're coming out into Madeira and you're doing these kinds of things, you're in nature, you're in the mountains, please clean up after yourselves. We hate seeing all sorts of stuff around, right? Don't want to bash anyone, just putting it out there. Please be careful, right? Don't be an idiot. Today it's a nice windy day, so we can really check if it's this is going to work or not. So here we go. Plus, I can't see the flame though. Wow, it's quite power, this thing. No, yeah. Don't want to put it too hot, right? Again, I've never done this. Remember guys, if you're coming to Madeira, you got to do a tour with the best company in the world, Hit the Road Madeira. What we do is we specialize in 4-wheel drive tours off the beaten path and away from the crowds. We're a small company and all of our tours are different. It's all personalized and we're all very good at what we do. But we do fill up very fast. So if you're coming already in April, it might be too late for you because we're almost sold out. But in May, you still have a chance. So check out hittheroadmadeira.com, use the promo code Hugo for President to get 10% off all of your tours in Madeira booked at hittheroadmadeira.com. Ooh, I don't know if I should be. And yeah, that's it. That's what you want to do. That's what you want to do. So I got this thing. I want to see if this makes a difference. Where's the wind? It's coming from this way. I'm just wondering if I should put a bit higher. Like if I'm on the job, I'll drink like 4 cups, at least 4 espressos. And I have them full because I don't believe in that story of like less coffee is stronger. That doesn't make any sense. You push coffee out of the machine, you're gonna get all that first one, right? And if you stop there, that's all you get. But if you carry on, you get more. So I don't understand how people think that like smaller coffees are stronger. I don't understand that story. Let us know if there are any coffee geeks watching. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? And hopefully there'll be some coffee coming soon as well. This is our 3rd attempt. I think I'm finally getting the hang of it. The windshield is actually helping to start the fire and the coffee is getting better and better. I actually think this particular batch of coffee was Juan, who I hope I'm saying your name right, Juan. I think he was. I think he made me coffee for a drip, for a V60 drip. So I think it could be like finer and more compact. It did get better the second time around, so the coffee's going good. I didn't want to give too much away, you know. And before you guys get hating on me on the plastic cups, this is just to check the coffee because I haven't planned on what cups I want yet, because I'm still building the experience. So you can have a little kind of idea of what this whole thing's about. And you're gonna have to stay tuned to see the rest. And that's about it. We'll see you guys in next week's video. Oscar, let's hit the road. Nice. One rato ensinou essa, não? Hã? É o deste. Boa.